nigo beso kirena kuri Ebirengererio byabo igoro y'omuswada w'ECHIBESA w'omwaka w'2025 noyomo
bakoragwa n'umuwaziri mukuru Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo bono batugutera omuswada oyo ENSEREKARI yabekire igurube enene asomo Kenya wetera sokomenta ebango
nanya nabo nigo bagarira serikali kutegerera abamirire ababo chinga kibakorwa Ebirengererio byabo.
We are a democracy, and democracy is government by deliberation. Our colleague, the Minister for Finance, or the Cabinet Secretary, has criticizing us and saying we are making proposals, the Finance Bill 2026, recklessly. And my answer to him is this: you put it forward so that we deliberate it, we give you our views. Amendments are not done, then the budget should be rejected in total. There are details that we have not gone into here. For example, if you increase tax on income from rent from 7.5% to 10%, all that is going to be passed on to tenants. The same ones who are paying SHA, the same ones who are paying all these taxes. How will life be afforded? So we are not basically saying things because we are bored. We are saying things because we can see and live here. And we are saying them in person. And our colleagues, our fellow citizens who are in government, need to also, with the same attitude, the same positive view, take our proposals very seriously and take them in their stride and see what can be done. And I don't think, although Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka and Rigathi Gachagua did not say this, I don't think that the United Alternative Government is supposed to a conversation who are in Parliament. I'm sure we'll be very happy to have a conversation on how these measures can be changed and these proposals can be changed in Finance Bill 26 so that we can have a palatable situation. He asked how I was in cabinet for 10 years and we passed finance bills. We debated all the time. We negotiated all the time. In fact, in most cases, we gave away a lot. Sometimes it's a give and take, and government should be prepared to go to Parliament and sometimes listen to the members of Parliament, accept to lose here and lose so that we can go forward in a manner that is essentially bearable for all of us. Finally,